안녕하세요, artists. 레이첼입니다. Now, it's August 10, and we are heading to the Korean Cultural Center in the Philippines for my cooking class. So, this is my first time to attend the class. So, I'm kind of nervous, but then I'm excited. So, gacha! We will be cooking Galchi Jorim or banquet noodles and Ggochi or pan-fried skewered pancake. This is our working station, and as you can see, we are grouped into three for this cooking session. For those who love Korean food and loves to cook, stay tuned for Korean Cultural Center in the Philippines post for their free Korean cooking class. And be sure before you sign up, you are committed to attend the class because only first 16 registrants are allowed, and there were 4 in the waiting list. If you are chosen to be one of the participants and you are not able to attend the class, please inform the KCC office in advance so that the 4 persons in the waiting list will be notified. I will be cooking these recipes on my next video, so stay tuned. For now, enjoy the rest of the video.
like this, but it has to pour, reduce the water. But I think when you boil this one, first open. Don't close the lid, okay? Like this. I put, and also green onion, and chili like this. And after 5 minutes, it's okay. Already finishing. Eight. It's not boiled well. Yes. Yes, okay.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.